9:44. My channel. As you can see, I'm not in the same place as I was before because I moved out. I know, it's so exciting. I am now in the city. I moved out from my parents' house. That's why the kitchen looks different from before. Currently, there's not much furniture. We are waiting for our couch to come in. I can't wait to show you guys the full look of when everything is cozy and when everything is put together. Right now the kitchen looks really messy because I left it for a few days after cooking. So my plan today is to clean the kitchen, to clean my apartment. Then I want to show you guys a few things I got from Costco, just a little bit of housekeeping items. And yeah, we'll make coffee together after the cleaning. This is my filming setup for one of my collaborations. Hungry while cleaning, so we are going to make shrimp dumplings. This little gadget thing I got from IKEA, it's super useful. You just put dumplings on here and just put it in and it just steams it for you. to use lists to get things done. So I just have a list of my to-do, but also I really like to use this app. It's called Structured, and it's just like a planner app. In the morning before I start my day, I like to say affirmations. I wanted to show you guys this new pillow I got from Costco. It is now 11 p.m. After I did some filming work, I ended up just running some errands, but I just wanted to end the video here saying thank you for watching. As a content creator, a lot of times I feel my personal life and my content creation can blend in together, so that's why it's so important for me to have to-do lists and a schedule. I'm just glad that I was able to show just a little bit more of what goes on into a small content creator's life and how I get my work done. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys would like to see, and don't forget to follow my Instagram. I will put it down in the bio if you guys want to see tutorials on how to make reels, like aesthetic reels. Do let me know in the comments. I hope to be doing more videos like this in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.